Hey adventurers! Today I'll be showing you how to service your lawnmower step by step because I have my lawnmower right here, but the thing is it won't start, so I'm gonna give it a basic service so it can start again and we can start mowing again. So let's get started. Alright adventurers, let's see if the lawnmower will start before we start giving it a deep clean. I just want to see. Alright everybody, as you guys can see, the lawnmower won't start, but first we're going to give it a deep clean and then we're going to investigate the problem and fix it so it can start running again. So first, let's give it a deep clean. Let's get started. Alright, for the first step of our deep clean is we want to take off the bag, as you guys can clearly see, that collects the grass, just like that. Take off this bag, we're going to give this a deep clean because it has a lot of grass in it. Let's put that aside. Alright adventurers, for our next step of our deep clean is we're going to use our DeWalt leaf blower to leaf blow all those little loose debris, all those loose grass, every little anything that's loose that's on the lawnmower. So let's get started. Just like that. Alright adventurers, for our next step is we're going to turn the lawnmower around. But before we turn it, we're going to come over to the spark plug area and unplug the spark plug, just like that. So if it starts, or if somehow it starts, it won't start on us. So let's turn the lawnmower around now. Always turn it where the exhaust is, just like that. Okay adventurers, now it's time to scrape all this dead grass where the blade is. So let's get scraping. Just like that. Just like that. Alright adventurers, as you guys can clearly see, we have finally scraped off all the dead grass pieces from the bottom of the lawnmower, but now we're going to have to clean it. So, I'm going to start cleaning. Okay adventurers, now we're going to take off the cover and the pull cord. So, let's get started. The pull cord and the gas cap. Just like that. Take this off. Just like that. Put back the gas cap. just like that. Okay, adventurers, now it's time to use some soapy water to clean the frame of the lawnmower. So let's get started. Okay, adventurers, now it's time to wash everything off. Okay, adventurers, now it's time to wash it with the water. So let me get the water. Let's get spraying. Let's wipe it down now. Alright, adventurers, now it's time to wipe it down. And after we're done wiping it down, we're gonna dry it off with the leaf blower. So let's get started. Let's get wiping. Okay, now it's time to leaf blow it off and dry it off. Alright, adventurers, now it's time to put back the cover on my lawnmower. And also, guys, look how beautiful my lawnmower came out. It looks so nice and shiny again. But also, guys, we're gonna have to figure out the problem on my lawnmower because it won't start. So hopefully we're gonna figure that out. But first, let's put back the cover on my lawnmower. We're gonna start off with the gas cap, taking it off. Just like that. Put the pull cord through. Just like that. Put the gas cap back on. And then screw down the cover. Screw it down. just like that. And the last part is just to pull the pull cord back up where it goes, just like that. Now it's time to figure out why this lawnmower won't start. Alright, adventurers, now it's time to figure out why my lawnmower won't start. The first thing I want to check is the spark plug, because I think that's why it's not working. So, let's check. Let's open the spark plug. It's tight on there, just like that. Take off that. Just open it up. Yeah, guys, I think we have found the problem. As you guys can see, the spark plug is all black right here. That's a really bad sign. That shows like the spark plug won't start or won't work again. So let's replace the spark plug and see if it can start. Alright, adventurers, as you can see, this is the broken spark plug. It's like bent and everything. So that's a very bad for the mower. So I went out and bought this brand new spark plug. As you can see the difference, huge difference between them. This one is bent, rusted, and absolutely destroyed. And this is the new one, all new and nice. So let's put in this new one and see if the lawnmower will start. So yeah. Let's put it in here, the socket. Make sure it goes on nicely into the mower. Just like that. Tighten it up, just like that. And the mower should start again. So let's see. Alright, adventurers, now it's time to prime the lawnmower. Let me prime it. And let's see if it will start. Let's hope it starts. Look at that, adventurers. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It was the spark plug. That spark plug was absolutely destroyed. I put in a new one and it started right up. So that's very good, very nice, and I'm super happy we have fixed this beautiful lawnmower. And yeah, let's cut some grass with it and see how it works. Alright, adventurers. Now, before we start cutting the grass, we're going to put the grass bag so we can collect the grass cuttings. So, first, let's put the grass bag on the lawnmower. And now, we can start cutting the grass. So, let's get started. Let's start mowing. Alright, adventurers, as you guys can finally see, I have completed my lawnmower. We gave it a nice deep clean, we figured out the problem why it's not working, and overall, it works amazing now. And yeah, guys, remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and always stay tuned. And thank you for watching.